Excuse me.
Sorry.
How
I'm
dare you?
sorry.
Come
Listen,
on. What
listen.
sorry? No sorry. You spoiled all my clothes.
I'm going from here.
No,
and
no,
you
I
are
don't
also
want to
coming.
hear anything.
Sorry, I'm
Get lost.
so sorry. Oh, give me that cup. This is mine.
हेलो एवरीबॉडी। तो आप सब ने देखा कि किस तरह मैंने इमीडिएटली रिएक्ट कर दिया इस सिचुएशन में, और हम सब कभी ना कभी कोई छोटी से छोटी बात पर भी रिएक्ट कर जाते हैं, जबकि हमें उन सिचुएशंस को थोड़ा समझकर उन्हें थोड़ा टाइम देकर रेस्पॉन्ड करना चाहिए। Life is just 10% what happens to you and 90% how you react to it. कोई भी सिचुएशन अच्छी या बुरी नहीं होती है, अच्छे या बुरे होते हैं हमारे जवाब, कि हम उस सिचुएशन में किस तरह से नेगेटिवली रिएक्ट करते हैं या पॉजिटिवली रेस्पॉन्ड करते हैं, वो बताता है कि अब आपकी सिचुएशन कैसी है। People around you will throw stones at you, and you don't have to throw them back. You have to collect them all and build an empire. Now, what does this mean? This means that people around you will try to provoke you. They will sometimes sledge against you, but then you don't have to reply them negatively back. You have to collect all those negative things and respond strongly by converting those negative things into the positive ones. Now, imagine if you have a can of soda, a sealed can of soda, and a water bottle, sealed water bottle. Now, if you shake a sealed can of soda, what happens? The soda fizzes out suddenly, right? Now, if we do the same with the water bottle, if we shake a water bottle, what happens? Nothing happens with the water, it stays cool and calm. The same happens with us also. When someone says wrong about us, when someone says bad about us, what do? We suddenly react like a soda can. And now the question arises, do you want to be a soda can or a water bottle? Now all this sounds good and great, and we know that yes, I want to do it, I cannot be a can of soda, I want to be a water bottle. But then, is it so easy? No, it's not. But still you have to try it, you have to keep on trying it. Alright? Now, कभी धूप कभी छाया है, कभी सत्य कभी माया है, इस बीत रही जिंदगी का राज किसने पाया है? किसी के लिए सरताज है जिंदगी, कभी दो वक्त की रोटी का मोहताज है जिंदगी। कोई रो रो कर निकाल रहा है इसे, और किसी के लिए एक बिंदास अंदाज है जिंदगी। कोई ठोकरों से टूट गया है, देखो किसी ने दूसरों की जिंदगी को सजाया है। इस बीत रही जिंदगी का राज किसने पाया है? Never ask the question why. Why did this happen to me? Always ask the question how. How should I deal with it? Learn this master stroke, not to react, but to respond. So thank you so much everybody. All the best.